In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the functionality of Clink motion control in novoads.ai. With that tool, you can do videos like this one. So to make a video like this one, we have to go to the image section first. Then here we have to click in settings. In model, I prefer to use GPT Image 2. And now we have to click in reference and upload an image of the video. For example, this image is the first frame of the video that you saw. So I'm going to upload this image, and here I'm going to use a very simple prompt. I'm just going to tell to the AI that he have to replace the man. In this case, it's me, but could be any other person. For the YouTuber, I showed speed. And then here I wrote some details. So now we have to click here and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the images. And now to use the Clink motion control, we have to click in See More. Now we have to click here where it says Clink 3.0 motion control. And now we have to download one of these images. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download this image. And now we have to click here and upload the image that we download. So let's click here. Now we have to click here. And here we need to upload our video. As you can see, this is the video that I'm going to use as a reference. So now let's click here. And now we just have to click in generate. There is generating the video. And now we have to wait more or less 5 to 6 or 7 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it. Let's click here. And as you can see, the consistency of the video is really good. You can see that literally I shook speed. So if you want to do videos like this one, now you know it. And if you have any doubts, you can write me here via WhatsApp. If you have doubts of how to do another types of videos like these ones. So well, see you in the next video.